Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Christy Lynn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of those hard water spots or hard water deposits. And I'll be showing how to do this on my little drip tray over on my fridge, but you can use this same method for anything you need to remove hard water deposits from. So to start with, you're going to need some distilled white vinegar, and like a Tupperware container or something, you can put it into soak if possible. Now mine actually didn't need to be soaked, but I'm just showing you what to do if you do need to soak something. Just kind of fill it up with some white vinegar like this and let it sit as long as it takes. You can check on it periodically. You know, it wouldn't hurt to just let it sit overnight. But honestly, this is only worst case scenario. Most of the time you can just remove it by using a little bit of this white vinegar on a cloth, and that's what I actually ended up using. Soak it if it's really bad, or if you can, try to take it off the quick way first by just using a paper towel or cloth with some white vinegar on it. So as you can see, everything's coming off really easily on the fridge over here. Like, it's really just wiping straight off. Then there's this one spot that's pretty hard to get off where it has really built up, and that's on the actual dispenser itself. I don't know what you call these things. But anyway, so in that situation you might want to just soak the paper towel and let it sit on it. But I ended up doing that a little bit, and then I just kind of carefully scraped the hard water spots that had really built up with my fingernail right there, because it was just that one spot that was difficult, and then the rest came off really easy. But the main thing is you just need white vinegar, and it's going to get it up for you. Now, like I said, you can leave it soaking overnight if you need to, but I didn't need to, so I'm going to show you right here how this just came right off from the tray itself. And I did check on it and see it was ready to just be wiped clean, and you can see there's nothing left on it. I just wiped it to make sure and then dried it off, and I was good to go. If this video has been helpful to you so far, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of different homemaking and cleaning videos. I also do some beauty videos. Really, I just love anything to do with simplifying life, whether that's in my beauty routines, my daily routines, my cleaning. So if that is your thing and you like to live a simple life and just figure out easier ways and better ways to do things, or just like getting new ideas for how to do things a little easier to simplify your day, then I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around for more. Anyways, I'm gonna let you go, but I hope you have a great day. Bye!